Listen to that baby roar. Listen to that. Listen to that. Not because I put it every bit together. Everything. Battery in, hoses on, coolant in, everything. Got ready to turn the key, and my stepdad said, wait, there's a leak. The brand new water pump has a crack in it. So now I gotta take all this crap back off and take the water pump back. Yay. Awesome. Also, on the way to get in the truck. Ah, what a great day. One of the best part about all of that stuff that I'm talking about that went wrong, it's not an eternity problem. I'm secure in the Lord, my Savior Jesus Christ, and it's not a big deal. All the stuff we're working on, all the little trivial stuff that we go through, no big deal. It's not an eternity problem. If you don't know him, you better get to know him.